Buti na lang nakuha ko sa kapatid ko to. Kung hindi ako makakapaglaro. Nakakatuwa naman. So mag-bed wars tayo. Hindi ko makakapaglaro ngayon. Mga batang ko to. Joke lang ako to, guys. Ba't yung gagawin? Fake ko lang ako. Pero ba't yung gagawin ba? Pagkat naloban na paggagalitan ko yung joke lang. Papagalitan yun. Joke lang siya, pamatapang yun. Uy! 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 Tinalitin sa Piggy! Putik! Si Piggy ako! Si Piggy Munch! Piggy Munch! Piggy Munch! Ano ba to? Itlog. Alala. Kisla. Kita pasok sa atin. Arabi sa pontong mga Thomas. Joke lang. So guys, kahit malagyan, kita mo kayo. Ano hindi tayo papata. Lojo. Hang. Sobrang lakas ng pogi. Aray! Yup, aray. Ang hirap talaga ng parkour na to. Muni kami. Easy. What the? Aray guys, so guys, aray. Muni kami. Ang hirap naman guys. Aray ko guys. Yup. Aray ko guys. Ang sakit naman nun. Palagi kong patay. Yup. Kilala niyo si Maika? Si Maika sa Minecraft guys. Idol ko yun eh. Joke lang. Ang cute ng parang mga kapatid niya. Yung mga kapatid niya pagka tumatawa na ikita ako. Cute, sobrang. Kaki may baby. Easy lang naman. Aray, putiks. Guys, mahirap pala magano dito. Mahirap. So, okay, gagaling ako na. Aray ko guys. Grabe naman. Hala. Napunta na ako dun ah. Hala, natrap na nga. Ano sinasabi ko, natatrap ako eh. 1, 2, 3, puro baby. Ano ba natin sila? Chibuwa, sama na ulan at kumata. Para na niya, gonna back down. Para na niya, gonna back down. Arabi sa panda, madamas. Hirap ah. 1, 2, 3, ge. Ano mas Ah! Isipin lang natin to parang madali lang. Ayun kasi pag kayo sipo na parang madali lang. Pero ayun pala, hindi. Marapok po, may ganis yung game, hyper na ako. Siya kita. Aray! Takbal, takbal. Takbal, takbal. Takbal. Aray! GG! Wow, ang dami pala naglalaro. GP, chapa, rube, raba. What? Ang galing magtago. 10/10.
Saan po ang dyan mo?
Sabi mo rin ko. Hindi ka naman kita eh.
Miss ko na dyan.
Sabi mo eh. Kala ko, Rico. Kala ko. Ako na sa lahat. Sali na ako dyan. Ako na kung gusto nyo. Ako na tayo eh. Ha? Alpa! Alpa! Lang tao. Hala guys, sorry, pinatay ko. So guys, kung gusto niyo manood, manood lang kayo sa akin. Ba? Kailangan lang dito guys. Siguro sa ako. Pogi yan. Baka, pero mas pogi ako dyan. Siyempre guys, so. It's my love, what I say. Ala. Ano yun? Nagwawala. Sorry ko na stop ko. What you gonna say? Sometimes you love me right to my face. Wag yan guys, wag yan. Ano nangyari sa boy? Bakit mo maganda naman yun ah?
Di cocodrilo. No cocodrilo. 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 Di cocodrilo. Di cocodrilo.
Wala. Ayun o guys. Siguro si Baba eh. Maangas ang magkapatid na yun. Pero mas maangas to. Si ano. Wala. Nalimutan ko na guys. Yung pangalan. Samba yun. Ito guys. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Mukha ito ako kasi umiyak. Ito lang. Pero nag-ano siya. Sabi yung ano niya.
What's up, y'all? It's Bo Michael.
English sila.
I'm Jonathan.
And today, Jonathan looks like a dork. Ow! Hey, okay. Shoes. Relax, Jonathan.
What's in this chest?
So we're a ton to me. What's up, y'all? It's Bo Michael.
I'm Jonathan.
And today, Jonathan looks like a dork. Ow! Hey, okay. Shoes. Relax, Jonathan.
What's in this chest?
So we're starting off with a ton of stuff. Let's take it off.
Load lang ko yung gusto.
What?
Stop taking my leggings.
Oh, sorry. I'll give it back.
You took my leggings.
Okay, I'll give it back. Relax.
I'm gonna go get some trees.
Magkakasig
See who
yan.
can.
Sabay ka
Hey,
ng
what
dalawa.
is my foot that?
Yo, relax, bro. Ow! Whoa! Aggressive. Oh my gosh, Jonathan. Okay, I'll give it back. Dang it.
Wait.
Where's she?
Is my food in the chest?
I don't know.
Give
Did
me-
I? Here.
Give me my food
Here,
back.
okay, here, take it.
Hey.
Here, no, grab it. Wait, hey, relax. I'm gonna throw you inside lava. Relax. Chill out, Jonathan. Chill out, bro. Dude, creeper. Oh my gosh, run. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna kill him. Ow, what the heck is that? What the heck? What are these bat things?
Nakakatawa sa panoorin.
Oh, what is this over here? Oh, sweet.
So guys, kung gusto mo silang panoorin, makikita
Oh, I
mo
just
kung pangalan niya.
Oh, I
Tapos
just got a
kanya
diamond pick, bro.
Ganito.
I just got a diamond pick
Look
from
at
it.
this.
Give me the stuff.
Oh my,
Yan.
I'll protect you my diamond pick, okay? Here, take this. I'll give you one.
Give me the ender
Basta
pearl
mahal
that
kung
he
pangalan niya sa
What do you mean? Oh, the ender
Minecraft.
pearl?
brought. Yeah.
Si Minecraft
Hold on.
ba yan?
I mean, I don't know. We have to kill him though. Oh, I got it. Wait, okay. Wait, why do you need it though?
I need it.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Relax. I'll give it to you. Here. Only if you don't freaking cry like a baby.
Go back to the chest area
Okay, I'm trying to find you. Hold on.
and share with me.
So guys,
Never
hindi
share.
na magsasalita.
I found you. Here.
How's your hunger not going down?
Because I have food. Oh my gosh, Jonathan, behind you. What's that? Ah! Run!
Ah! Ah!
Run!
Pinagtripan niya yung kaibigan
What
niya
is
guys.
that?
So, kaibigan niya.
Ah!
What are you
Parang
saying?
hero guys.
Hero Brian!
Hero Brian?
Parang hero guys.
You mean Hero Brian? There's no way
siya
that's him.
guys.
There's no way.
Guys,
Do you know how
sakit na ako.
do you know how rare it is to freaking get Hero Brian? Okay, go upstairs, or go up here. Oh my gosh, high up here. Okay, here, stay up there. I'm gonna give you all your stuff. What? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking? I don't see anyone.
Just run!
Okay.
No!
You died again.
No! That's literally Hero Brian!
What are you talking about?
No, that's literally Hero Brian.
Bro, I don't-
already saw him. He has better than anything.
What? We're digging down. Follow me.
Ayun
Don't
Cover up
guys.
that hole.
Oh.
Are you serious? I can't believe we literally
pinagtripan
saw
niya.
Hero Brian.
I didn't see him. I don't know what you're talking about. So
What do you mean? I literally saw him on the tree.
I still don't know what you're talking about.
Pinagtripan niya.
Whoa! Ah! Hero Brian! Hero Brian!
What are you talking about?
Hero Brian!
Dude, Jonathan, what are you talking about?
Hero Brian! Near me!
You serious?
Hero Brian, near me! Yes!
No
Hero
way.
Brian! Yes!
Kailangan tapos sinasabi niya kasi niya.
Okay, hold on.
Wala
Let me see.
na magsigil.
Jonathan, are you for real?
Yes! No!
Wait, Jonathan, I think I found you. Hold on. I found you.
I hate this! I hate this game!
Dude, did you just drown in the water?
I hate this game!
Why do you hate it?
I hate Hero Brian!
Okay, but is he gonna get you in real life? No. Why are you like? Where'd you go? You literally just disappeared from me. I can't even find you.
I hate this game.
Not even that serious.
Night.
Yes.
Hey, do you realize your iron's gone?
You stole my iron? What the heck?
No,
Yes, you did.
I had none in the chest.
Yeah, how about you actually get your own material?
Here. I gave you more iron.
So guys,
Dude,
kakain
you
namin.
literally
So
stole my
bye
iron.
dito
You
na
took half of my
i-stop
iron.
yung video.